Hello and welcome everybody to a new game dev stream. Last time we were working on the item DB, and if I remember, I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do with the item properties because we could generate a bunch of functions in item DB. I don't exactly remember what I was doing, but we're gonna work on it today. We're gonna go back, take a quick look at what we did, and start working on everything else that needs to be worked on, which is many things. So right now, yeah, let's get started. I already got started here. Just Godot working on the background. So we are upgrading the project files. If I remember, there were some updates to the. There were some updates to it. Actually, I haven't checked. I'm just upgrading files, all the project files, resources, just to make sure everything is up to date. I did see some minor changes already. I'm not sure what is going on here. So for some reason this is getting added. I probably changed something in the equipment component. But this anyway, we're gonna add these changes. We're gonna let it work on this, and then actually, yeah, let's just let Godot work on that, and then let's look at the log. Oh, that's right. We did update the experience test to include percentage. With a function enhancement. Yeah, that's right. We updated the test. Then. Oh yeah, we added comments to IMDb. Okay, let's go back to the IMDb because I don't remember much. The generator, not the actual IMDb. So what we were doing, I sat down and started like adding more comments to this. Sort of break it down in my head what the item generator is doing, IMDb generator is doing. If I remember, battle stats getter. Oh, here we go. We did add all the getters for the. I don't get why it got split onto battle stats getter. Research component parameter. Max health modifier. So this should be generated somewhere around here. Set max health mana. Okay, yeah. Yeah. This is for updating the. Yep. Oh yeah, there's something else that was wrong here. So we currently use an item registry when we set these values, but we also want to set it at the actually want item DB to work at the inventory manager level. If I remember, not at the item registry. So let's get started there. Item. Yeah. So we want the item DB generator to generate some static registries. Yeah, these static registries, which are fine. And then we want the item DB generator to also generate setters for the this is what's confusing though, because we have. Are these used within the generator itself? Here's the thing. There's a problem here. Because we have the item registry, the item metadata, and the item instance data. Both the item metadata and the item instance data is within... I think this is the conundrum I was trying to figure out last time. So here's the problem. Let me just do that quick. We have item registry. Is for global item state. Default item state. Inventory manager for storing instance specific item state. This is a way to save memory. So we have global state, so not all the items need to have their instance data. And then we have inventory manager, which helps storing instance specific item state. We also have... It's just these two. Yeah, there's nothing else here. So when we do set p-value variant, yeah. I think we should make this function to be like set registry metadata, set registry price, set registry strength modifier, set registry defense modifier, and then we do set inventory and the modifier, like set inventory defense modifier, set inventory, and we get the item registry, we get the slot, and then we pass in the modifier value that we want. I like that. I like that. I like ItemDB as a wrapper for all this functionality. Okay, let's start there. Update ItemDB generator. Currently, actually, hold on. I want... Oh, there's an update for Copilot. Well, let me see if I can update it right now. I cannot update it right now. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, let's keep going. Please update. Oh no, I wanted to update the model. Yep. We want GPT to work. Yes, codex, but we want it on high. I think it worked fine on high. It's just too high. Please update item V. To support the following. Here's the description of what we have. Item registry holds item global specific data. Inventory manager. Item instance. You want item to be generated. Activity class. Supporting both setting global registry. Sorry, item modifiers registry level. This will be more specific. Entry manager level. Item registry. Item slots required for setting specific data. We implemented just can I paste in here? I'm trying to paste. Oh, there we go. I'll be back. Just got a text message from someone. Why is my phone not on silent? I'm working. I'll be back real quick. Alrighty, I'm back. We should just activate that. Want the item registry first. Then the item data key value. And we also want this, but at the inventory level. Oh shit, this looks so off. What's wrong here? Oh, let's go. Let's keep going. Yeah. Put like some back quotes here so that it looks cleaner in my head. And set inventory. Oh, this is wrong. Set registry. Set inventory. Set item instance data. This is an inventory manager. This is so hairy, this item system. But it's fine, I think. So item instant self modifier. This is the item ID. We want the item ID because we want to do some checks. Maybe? No, just let's keep it simple. Just do the slot. Let's just let it run and see where it goes. I'm so lazy when it comes to building this generator. Yo, courtiers! I did not see your mess. Well, you just... Oh, you just texted right now. I thought it was late. Hey, how's it going, courtier? Black boy, are you real? Are you really real? You sound like a bot, but black boy. I got a new follower. I did not get the... Oh shit, I don't think my stream alerts are working. No! No! My stream alerts are broken. Are they? Oh man. Hold on. I think I'm gonna run some tests live. Do I have Streamlabs open? Sorry, everyone. We're running tests live. This is a really boring stream right now because the AI is doing the work. Alert bugs. Test. It's working. Why did I not get the alert? When Black Boy followed. I don't know. Maybe they followed and unfollowed. See? Black Boy, I don't think you're a real Black Boy. It's Black Boy 102. Anyway, Curtiger, how are you doing? Oh, you need to refresh too? Okay. Maybe it works now because I just tested it. Huh. I hope it works now. I don't know. Try to be consistent here with my stream setup, and I don't want it crapping out. You're gonna add both to your game and then a boss and a merchant. Nice. Hey, by the way, how did you do the I remember seeing you have destructible terrain and then the water was flowing when you broke like some rocks near the water. It flowed down. That was so cool. Did you do that yourself or did you use a plugin? Because I remember. Oh no, but no, the plugin that I'm thinking about is something else. I think it's Smart Shape to the. This is just for adding crazy shapes to the collisions. But anyway, that system is cool. You have so many things. Not plugging? Okay, cool. Yeah. That's a cool system you have there. I really want to fix my item system. That's why I've been working on this. Because if I fix the item stuff, I can get the rest to work. My weapons, my armor, my everything. How I want it to work. But I have so many layers of complexity at some point. Let's add these. Oh shit, did Godot finish? Oh, Godot finished. Add missing changes. Okay, this. So basically for that you need two things. First CPU calculates water flow based on vectors and such, and shaders are drawing water in sprite texture. Oh, okay, gotcha. Some vibe coding with the shaders and modified it all. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, it doesn't seem hard to implement in my head. But I'm sure it's more complicated than I'm thinking. Right now I'm just vibe coding this 70p. I really want it to be nice. Because this is just handling data, like a bunch of data that I'm gonna add to the items. What hurt shaders are not that scary when you know them, but I want to learn them yet. Yeah, it's true. They're not that scary, but however, they can be so math heavy. Like I've seen some people. I mean, you probably already gone through Godotshaders.com, I think, or I don't know, Shader Toy or some other site like that. You did, yeah. And there's some crazy shaders there with some crazy math, and it looks so awesome. Yeah, it's testing. Yeah, there's some crazy stuff that people do. I found one piece of code that I think I wanted to add to my game. because it looked really cool, but I don't know if the license allows it. I don't remember if I should still have it somewhere around here. No, I don't have it. I think I lost it because I could not find the license. I should have written it down. Sting generator execution. Oh yeah, they are game changers, especially when you want to do like really nice. True, they're not the most important. They're really important when you want to really crank out performance. When you really need to draw so many things on screen, a shader can usually get a lot of the work done. Sometimes a shader is not good enough though. And you need to like wrap or create some code in C++, like I did for my damage counters on the game. But other than that, shaders are amazing, and Godot is amazing in general. I mean, I like it for my purposes. I've been thinking of learning Unreal at some point though, but I don't know. I just want to do this game. The thing is, Unreal is, yeah, I really enjoy Godot too because it's so like, it's so easy to wrap your head around it. From my perspective. Hey, Miwa! Welcome! The problem is I have so many ideas, but I know I cannot start another project right now. Yeah. Me too. Like, I have a bunch of ideas, but gosh, I don't want to. I just want to work on this RPG. Да, ти шпионка, я знаю, да. Я все вижу. I speak Russian a little. She's a friend. We played a lot of games together. I learned a lot of Russian with her. Wait, you speak Russian too, Courtier? Oh, you're learning Russian in your free time. Nice. Do you know your proficiency level? What the fuck, bro? What are you talking about? Miwa. Very low? Okay. I'm like A1 or B1 by no, I think I'm between A2 and B1 by now. But I'm still really early. Still, I don't like, I cannot keep up. You're shocked. Let's see. I think hold the file. Let's just remove this. It's not needed. It's here. Oh, that's right. Yeah, you're from Poland. Oh, nice. This is fixing a bunch of stuff that wasn't working properly. I'm so glad these fancy typewriters work so well. I do play I don't really stream that much. I do have an well, sometimes it's not really. I mean, I don't stream on this account. The thing is, I'm weird. I'm a weird guy. And sometimes I don't want everything to show on this stream. I want to keep this channel professional, you know, Courtier. for as long as I can. Yeah, it's crazy how Polish and Russian is so similar. And there's so many, I think, I don't remember, there was another language that was really similar. A couple of other languages that are very similar to Russian. I mean, Ukrainian is one. It sounds like strange Russian. Oh, you stream everything. Nice. Nice. Oh, okay. The AI finished. I regenerated. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. It's not needed. So let's just take the actual generator for a spin real quick. Generator run. It's working as expected. After learning alphabet, it became kind of easy to understand Russian in chat in games. Really? That's crazy. Just after learning the alphabet? Wow. That's awesome. It's better to not understand. Gotcha. You know, there's so many words that I still don't get at all. So many words that I don't understand. Okay, let me check the item DB. Alright, so we have... Actually, let's go through LazyGit. I want to take a look at this. Oh no, actually just Vim. Item DB. Wait, who are you asking me? Well, me? For example, I love playing Rust. It's one of the most toxic games ever. And actually, Russian and Polish community there is not having the best opinion. I'm hanging in there. I'm okay. I have my ups and downs. I'm hanging in there. Okay, get metadata. This is off. I don't like this. Set registry. Why do you have? Oh gosh. Stop the backward compatibles. Okay. Clean up the generator. We don't need backward compatible API. Just remove the old methods. Coding is for the weak? What? You're not a loser, Miwa. No. You cannot vibe code everything. That's not true. Zip it. Hey. This is my stream. You zip it. I get to talk. To clarify, I'm kidding. Okay. Updating plan regenerating. We have more people? Wait, how many? I need to check. Hold on. I don't see them. I don't see 3. What the fuck? Why do you want a penis joke? No. This is supposed to be a professional stream. Это профессиональный стрим. Это не стрим в... Это не смешной стрим. Неправда. Эй, no. Этот стрим о пенисе. Нет! Нет! No! No, no, no. Okay. What the fuck? Bro, what if I get a lot of viewers just because we're talking about penises here? That would be crazy though. I would turn this into a penis programming stream. I would be like, bros, we're gonna like code something very, very enormous today, you know? We're gonna be like, yeah, exactly. Look, this is how my community will grow so fast. So fast, bro. Look at this. Can I make it bigger? I don't think I can. I don't think I can. Keeping it real. The penis. For real, yeah. The crazy thing, I'm gonna keep this video on YouTube. Actually, I should turn on my videos on my VODs. Tips and tricks, welcome back. Yeah, I'm still alive. It's been a while. Yeah, how have you been? I've been going crazy working on the offline basically, and just a life has been happening. But how have you been? Yeah, I was lazy, that's true. I've been drawing hexagons for a couple hours now. Need more hopies. Okay, I'm just trying to lighten the mood. Thank you, Miwa. How is that sad? He's just working on what he wants to work. Are we getting the methods that set registry? Oh yeah, set registry fence and then set item instance. Oh yeah. Now this is looking sexy. Hell yeah. Okay. Let me make sure. Let me add everything. Make sure the generator is working as expected, because I'm gonna be. Помоги, что? Что ты не понимаешь? Oh yeah, remember the snowballs, yeah. Это не работает? So sad. Да, я помню. Я помню, Lina. I don't remember what you were using. Streamer bot. Do you remember how to? Yeah, I know that how you're working on a game. I'm not an imposter. Что ты не помнишь? Как написать по-английски? Или... О, нет, ты не помнишь, как написать в стример-бот, да? Да, это я помню. Это я не помню тоже. Нет, это я не помню. Но я думаю, я могу помогать тебе. No puzzle, nie сейчас. What was going to do? Oh yeah. Nah, I'm busy today, so I cannot help you today. I can help you tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. Cause I already have plans. Ty Vaniuchka, to nie ja. Are you free tomorrow, Miwa? Yeah, exactly. Imagine having a life. I have plans tomorrow. Oh gosh, it's gonna be hard. I'll text you later, Lena. I don't remember. Because I have plans tomorrow too, so I don't know if I can help. Oh my god. Yeah. If you go to her channel, she has her name written there. Miwa, she's Lena. Yeah, I'm used to calling her by her name instead of her username. I was gonna commit this. Update item to be generator with new methods. Or what is so funny? I don't get it. I need you to tell me, Kurdiger. I'm curious now. Don't leave me hanging. What new methods for? Oh. So that it is to level and level modifiers can be set. Okay. You need to wait, son. Hey, why are you calling me son? I think I'm older than you. I'm 37, bro. Okay, bro. Try hexagons. Okay, tips and tricks. I hope you're able to get it looking, get your model looking how you want. By the way, Snowball doesn't work anymore either after I reinstalled all my settings to the app. Oh, okay. I see, Lena. Dude! Screw you, Curtis. I know I'm old. Okay, I can help you later. I don't know. We'll have to talk about which day I can help you, Lena, because I have plans tomorrow, and I think Friday I'm gonna be busy. I have plans on Saturday too. I need to figure out an algorithm for drawing straight lines in a hexagonal grid. Wait, are you using Blender tips and tricks? What are you using for your models? Oh wait, you're drawing. Well, I'm not. You're using hexagons and triangles. I don't know if you're doing 2D art now. I need a Discord command. You can add me on. Do you see my username? It's the same on Discord. I know. Scared that you're fooling around. What are you doing, Lena? Wait, I have some other commands. Hold on. I should add penis one. What else do I have? I really need to. I'm. You know what? For next stream, I don't think I'm gonna stream tomorrow, but for the next stream at least, I'm gonna have a list of commands. What else? I have. Where are my gifts? Difficult poll, user map. What is this? Oh yeah. Adding penis. You can post a link. No, you won't be banned. I don't have any bots banning links or anything right now. I'm gonna keep my chat. This is not for you. That gift is not for you. I'm just posting my commands. What else? I had. What is Gaben? Gaben intensifies. I don't remember what this. This is so cute. What else? Oh, I have this. I want you to be able to arch any tile from an Italian straight line. Ah, I see. I need to find a set of rules that will return satisfying results. Okay. Ah, you're using this is Krita, I think. No. Oh, never mind. No, it's something else, I think. This looks like Krita to me. Ooh. Yeah, I wish I could help. Clip Studio Paint, okay. This is the last command I have. What is this? A recursive yawming. Почему ты ничего не сделаешь в своей программе? Потому что я хотел показать команды. Okay. I am working and I'm talking to Lena. My attention is broken and it's hard to do both at the same time. Okay. Okay, so one thing I wanted to fix. We have the game, right? This is broken. I'll fix it later. Yeah, I need to make that career and I just died. There was something else that I wanted to fix here. I forgot what it was. This is broken. The stamina doesn't work really. Oh, the dash is screwed up and the attack is screwed up. Yeah, that's something else that I needed to fix. Где мой Sims в Godot? Мой Sims? Я не понимаю. Я тебя не понимаю, Lina. I can do two things at a time. I only have two neurons and I need one of them to remember to breathe. That's true. Me too, tips and tricks. Me too. Okay, so we need to fix the attack. Let's go straight to the player. So we have an attack state here. So this function gets called. Oh, true, but I'm not there yet. I'm still fixing the code to be able to do that. Because we need to add a bunch of stuff. I know. I'm slow. It's gonna take a while. Because there's a lot that needs to work for that to happen. So this function, hold on. I remember this function goes just run, bro. Just run. Let me just go straight into the enemy chasing. I don't want to keep going to the main menu. So we run, I think if I press E, I get into attack mode, right? And then it just dies. All right, so, and then the attack function should be called, I don't see it down here, but it's because of this. Should start, let me out. Okay, yeah, it's getting called. Okay, thank you for being here, Lena. I appreciate it. And we have another bot. Sleazy Stringer. Yeah, you're getting banned. All right, tips and tricks. Thanks for showing up and saying hi. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I appreciate you checking on me. All right, I'll see you too. I hope you get your triangles and hexagons as you want them to be. Okay. This is gonna be a short stream. I'm gonna end it in about 20 minutes because I already have plans. And Sleazy, hold on. Let me ban this guy. Get out of here. I already have some plans tonight, and I'll try to stream way more. Hopefully soon. Trying to get everything ready to just be able to stream every day for as long as possible, as long as I can handle it. Okay. So the problem was, so we have equipment component. When we attack, I hope so. Need more stream to distract you from work. Yeah, that's true. And I need more people in my life. So yes, please come in and distract me from work. Sometimes procrastination is medicine. Sometimes, not always. So that's why I don't stream all the time. But I'll try to though. Because at this point, it feels like everything is getting, like everything's starting to fit together. And I just need to like tie a bunch of to-dos like this other to-do. There's a bunch of stuff that still needs to be worked on. But everything feels so much nicer than way before back in the day. So what I did, so oh gosh, I need to fix the player thing too. So here, and the weapons code is also screwed up. This is a problem. This is such a huge problem. Because right now I have some weapons coded, right? But the way they work is they get added as nodes. And I don't want it to work like, I mean, this is fine. The adding as nodes is fine. But this currently doesn't work correctly with the equipment component. Because the equipment component gets initialized and we connect all the signals. Hold on. I think I need to wrap this function. Because yeah, there's some sloppy code here. Let's start there. We go here. So when we equip the weapon specifically, everything else is just a modifier on the character. So this is fine. But the weapon. Oh, and this is off. Oh wait, no, this is right. We have weapon equipped. Okay. Yeah, weapon equipped. So when we connect, what we want to actually do is on weapon, a weapon equipped. We want to add a node so that we can access it via the attack function. And that node is going to have all the properties from the weapon that I need. So I already have some weapons here. And the way, yeah, the way they were working, hold on. They were working in the style of Vampire Survivors. So if I do the ice spell, right, and I run the game, and I just run around like a crazy guy, the spell is gonna activate automatically. Yeah. So this is working. And all of the spells should still work. Hold on, let me get the enemy chase. So we've got the knife spell. Yeah, just Godot logo. Just, yeah, why not? I have no knife yet. Just Godot logos. Then the axe spell should also work. Similar to, yeah, this is similar to Vampire Survivors. I'm just testing everything because I did not test this when I fixed a bunch of stuff. This is gonna be broken because I need to press the attack button. Yeah, I can still, I can still hit them even though my state is screwed up. Yes, that's true. But the sword works, just there's just no sword, and then we have the magic aura. This is like the garlic in. I need, oh shit, this is, yeah, this is off. I need to add a, hold on, I need to add a collision shape, right? Yeah, there's nothing visible on the, yeah. On my mana, I just got drained. Okay, let's just die. There's nothing visible on the magic aura. Hold on, let me add some to-dos here. Let me go back to the magic aura. There's no texture here. Is there a to do here? No, there's not to do here. We just gotta add to do here just to remember to add. Let's do this fix. I can fix this on stream. I don't remember what I did. I think fix on stream. Yeah, I'm gonna use that tag from now on. Anything that I'm gonna fix on stream, I'm gonna just add fix on stream. Need to add a glow for the magic aura. Maybe a shader. A shader would be nice. A screen, what's the name? Screen white shader? Yeah, something like that. I forget. Okay, so we're gonna do that later. The knife spell, we were using the Godot logo. Fix on stream. The knife spell is using the Godot logo. Fix this, bro. Okay. Next, what else did we find? Oh, the axe spell is the same. The knife spell and then the axe spell, it was the same. We were using the Godot logo, so we're just gonna add this. We're gonna keep updating these to-dos on stream. Then here, what did I do? Okay, we're just gonna add this, and this. Add to-dos on stream to-dos. We're gonna fix those later. Once I find some textures that I like, we're gonna work with that. Now the attack is still fucked. It's not working right now. Yeah, because I have no sword. Let's start there. I want the player. So for now, I need to add weapon levels later. But let's just take it very simple and easy. I want the player to start. Where's my equipment? Right now it's empty. When it's empty, it should default to fist, but this is code specific. Should go. That should be a fallback. Let's just start with the sword because we already have sword going on. Let's save, and then. Now I want this code to run because I need to add the sword once it's equipped. So when the function is equipped, we're gonna rerunning this. And then it should be void. And I need to use the same number of parameters as this function. No, this one function equipped. Basically the same function signature. That is what you need? Oh. I can share my code if you want. Look, if you find stuff here, don't tell anyone, Kurdiger. Oh, you're about to add armors. Okay, okay. Don't tell anyone. But if you see something on stream that you want, a piece of code, I can share. Just add me on Discord. I'll throw it at you. I can there's also like my all my plugins that I'm using. So if you need to help with those, I can also help. But yeah. I'm on Discord. Oh, that's true. That's true. I forget you have a weird username with an A. Our Marnsson, I forget. But yes. Achakurmo, yes. I forgot. I'm so sorry. I butchered your username. It's hard to say. I like Herdiger. It's easier. Because that's how I see you on stream, and that's what I remember. But I actually changed your username on Discord today. On Discord, yeah, I added a nickname for you. So equipment component again. We want the player to start with the weapon, and we wanted the this function signature is gonna be the same for this sync for this. Okay, on weapon equipped, that's okay. Then we also want this, but we want to call the function here. We don't want to bind anything. So this should be just item ID. Then we kill this, we do this. And this is update player stats. Because we are updating the player. This is like an RPE, right? So we equip the weapon. The player stats get modified. We equip the weapon. The same thing is gonna be for the on weapon unequipped. It's basically the same code, but we do the unequipped. Wait. I think the order of the components. Yeah, this is. So we have item ID, battle stats component, health, mana, stamina. Yeah, it looks fine. Why are you complaining? On weapon equipped function argument 5 should be mana component, but it's stamina component. Wait, am I missing? Oh, the item instance. Of course, the item instance data. Yeah. No, what? This is. Wait. This is weapon. Oh. I'm special. I'm special. Okay. Now this is the same, right? It's just unequipped because we wanna subtract the modifier. So if the weapon adds health or whatever, we subtract. Yes, you are, but that is fine. Wait, what are you talking about, Kurdiger? I don't know. What do you mean? Maybe my stream is lagging. Oh, I think you meant that I butchered your username when I said our Kurdiger. I mean, not other Kurbo. 20 seconds ago, I'm special. Yes, I'm. special. Hey, no judgment here, okay? No, I said that myself. Yeah, I am special. Okay, so here, this is what's gonna happen, right? So IMDb weapon has, if I remember, basically enums of all the weapons, right? Weapon. So we have fist, yeah. So this is just the item ID for what type of weapon we have. This is for a specific. I need to fix this. This should be like item.fist should be like gloves or I don't know, a specific weapon. But for now it's just generic. That's okay. Anyway. Oh yeah, since okay. I remember. So we have I have like 3. Hold on. Let me just do a resplit. Item DB. So we have item dot bow. No. We have 5. Yeah. I like this. Wait, what am I doing? Something went okay here. So I have 5 different types of weapon in this game. Let's nuke this. I don't want this. We want to match the item ID with the type of. Oh wait, no, this is not gonna work. No. What I want to do is item DB that is fist weapon, right? So we use the item database to check if the weapon is a fist weapon. Right, see, this is just for the player stats. Attach the actual weapon the player is going to use. So if the player, it's a fist weapon, and then we're gonna do the same thing for the rest. And F is sword weapon. This is where we're gonna equip the actual weapon, right? And then we're gonna do the same for the rest. It's staff weapon. Print. To do staff weapons not implemented. We already have sword. This is bow weapon. And the weapon is gonna be, since this game is gonna have a lot of variance to it, I want to keep the weapons the same. So I'm just gonna choose some sprites that look good. And then I'll probably add a few weapons because I want the player to feel that their weapons are changing. But not many. Like 2 or 3, maybe 4. The 4th one would be the epic one. Oh, actually, I like that. Because the Zelda game, if I remember, the Zelda game has like 3 different weapons. Really? You have? Yeah, I don't remember your solution that well, but the blueprint stuff that you were using was really cool. Because it seems like you were like matching or handling data way different than I am. I'm using a bunch of I like the enums because I like to code in like C style, really old code. And this is gonna be really fast. Like these checks are gonna be very, very fast. I want the game to just move blazing fast as possible. Okay, print to do fist weapons not implemented yet. We're just gonna actually give me push error. We want errors. I want the console to just say this is bullshit. I don't want this. Bow weapons not implemented yet. Is arrow. Actually, what do I have? I don't have. I think we have quiver. Yeah. Because this should be the item ID should go on the quiver. Is quiver. This is for the quiver slot. Anything goes in the back. I like items, they'd be cool. I have abstract hand items that if you select them from inventory, you call primary action on them. We're happy. We'll yeah. It's a different kind of game. We're building different games with different priorities. And this one specifically, I want to use enums a lot because the inventory itself, the inventory manager, the way it works is actually just using IDs. Hold on. Manager here. No, this is not it. Manager. Yeah, everything here is just is using item ID for everything. So we want enums for the inventory, and this is so that we can have so we can instantiate. I mean, instantiating simple items like gold is gonna be extremely lightweight because it's just a number. There's nothing else, just a number with some properties that we have stored in a database. And this is gonna be this is a good implementation for like spawning a bunch of items, like crazy spawning a lot of items on the screen, because we don't have to instantiate like new custom objects, which gets really slow. We do have to instantiate nodes, but those are like native things that it's not JavaScript, like really clunky JavaScript objects in the JavaScript VM. Anyway, let's just do quiver equipment. Not implemented yet. Then we have one more. We have empty. Empty should be a state. I like this. I like the empty. Do I have? I don't think I have is empty. That's okay because I don't need it. I can just directly check if the item is empty. The item ID, item empty. Oh wait, this is wrong. Wait, is it? No, this is not wrong. I need to fix the categories for these. Because the arrow, I don't think the arrow should be a weapon. I'll fix this later. I realized how much crappy code can be not seen thanks to modern computers. I had a bug that every time I had to refresh inventory slot, I was refreshing every slot instead multiple times. Oh my god! No performance drops. Found it when I was rebuilding old code. Oh wow! Yeah, it's crazy how modern computers can process so much stuff, and you don't tell unless you stress test the code. Item.empty. Empty weapon. Not implemented yet. So this should be fine for now. So we're gonna update the player stats. Oh gosh, I need to fix all these signals. Everything here needs to be fixed. So this is on weapon equipped, and then on weapon unequipped. Everything here needs to be redone. Let me add another to do here. I'm about to finish the stream. Oh, I'm actually past my time. I'm going to finish the stream soon. Let me just add a to do here, and we'll end the stream right here. Let's do fix on stream. Fix on stream. All the signals here need to be connected to a function. To a player function. Wait, not all of them. This is wrong, actually. It was nice to see you too, Courtier. Thank you for hanging out. I hope I catch you next time online as well. It was fun to talk to you on your stream. All right. I hope you have a nice work. A lot of work done. And I'll see you next time too. All the signals here need to be connected to a player function, so that... No. Double check. Let me just do double check all the signals. All the signal connections. We may need to wrap these connections. All the equipment. Okay, let's do double check all the equipment signal. There's another to do here that I need to do. It's the equipment component is on stream after initialization. Make sure the equipment component triggers after initialization and signals trigger initializing. So right now we are doing this, but we're not saving or loading any content. We need to do that as well. Oh gosh, the bots, bro, on Kick. Get out. Get out. Actually, so that player stats are properly updated. You save mana, your low experience and set up max health, max mana. Yeah. Yeah, equipped. Yep. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this as is. Oh yeah, no, hold on. Let me add to do fix on stream. Test this functionality. finish implementing this function. And also implementing this function. Yeah, there are a bunch of typos. We're gonna fix all of this next stream. I need to go. I already have plans. Let me add. Wait, there's something off with the player scene. Oh yeah, that's okay. I'm gonna add the player. Update to-dos in player code and do minor fixes. I'm gonna push and make sure that, hold on, let me close Godot. Let me make sure that everything is working fine. There are no errors, at least just by loading the project. Sweet. All right, this is it, everyone. Thank you for hanging out. We're gonna roll the credits now. Stream participants, Kurdiger, thank you for being here. Miwa, thank you so much for being here. This is the first time you've been on stream. I really appreciate it. Tips and Tricks, thank you for being here again. Fuck you, Black Boy. Fuck you, Sleazy Stringer Jetby. Fuck you, Inconceivable Squabbling. You guys were bots. Yeah, you're not. No, I don't thank you for being on the stream, but I thank everyone else for being part of the stream. I really, really appreciate it. See you guys next time. Let's roll the ending.